Okay, it's Mikey here. I told you I'd be making some more videos. This is my two rims welded together with a square cut out for a doorway stove, and I'm actually making some coke coal right now, which is basically you just really, I guess, cook your wood. And I'll use that for blacksmithing later. It's too late to be pounding around on an anvil this late at night in town, even though I do live in a town with no noise restrictions. The cops will be called. They have before. Right there's the dome lid to the top. I got a bunch of tins full of wood with other wood. That's actually blocks of wood I found along the new bike trail, which used to be an old railroad called the Cardinal Greenway, and they had these iron spikes in them that I want to probably make into blades or a tool or maybe a ladle or something. But yeah, it'll take a couple hours and it'll be nice and ready to go, and the final project should end up right here's some coke coal that I've already made. I mean, like, I can fill this box up with just a couple tins. So now, why would I go spend $10 for an 8-pound bag of chunk charcoal when I can sit here and very easily make my own? Okay, well, it's been M to the IKEY, and peace out, y'all. I'll show you my next project here shortly.